Tyre Stuckey, owner and co-founder of Miss Dot's Restaurants. What is the one thing about Marion that will always be relevant? I think it's a pretty easy question. Marion's got a formula for success, and they take young men and women and they turn them into phenomenal leaders, whether it's in the corporate environment, in the civilian world, or it's in the military atmosphere. And being in the restaurant business, it is super important to have organization in a chaotic world. That's exactly what I use every day. I take that accountability, attention to detail, and the ability to problem solve, and I teach my team how to do that. And that's all Marion. I do consider myself Marion-made. If I could relive my cadet experience, I don't think there'd be one thing I would do different. Marion taught me an incredible amount of honor, discipline, integrity, values that are just a recipe for success. And it's fantastic, the person that I've become because of Marion. What would I tell a young person who is thinking about going to Marion? I would say jump on it. If you have the opportunity and the means to go to that fine institute, you should go and stay there as long as you possibly can. I mean, it is a phenomenal experience, and it is something that you will carry through your life for a very long time, no question. You literally go beyond where you thought you could go, and from marching to PTs, it was awesome. It was awesome. And then what I did is I just took it out in life, and I don't know, it kind of became unbreakable.